Hello, Jeremiah. Hi. What else? Yeah? Yeah? What else do you have to tell the people? Are you quiet? Huh? Okay. Yeah, what else? Jeremiah, up here. Oh. Hi. Hi there. Hi. You're so serious all of a sudden. I guess that means turn it off, Mom. Say bye.